this one during the practices for that release?
Masaya! Ayun, from head and shoulder, knees and toes, masakit! Hindi, pero worth it naman. Siyempre, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge yung cheer team na kasama namin ng South Empire. Maraming salamat for giving us a safe and a fun performance. Thank you for helping Viva One perform today. Ayun, super thankful, very grateful kasi syempre, hindi lang ako, kaming lahat, the artists, everybody, we all really took time and practiced sobra. At saka si Coach Mike! Gusto ko rin lang din i-acknowledge for the choreo, for helping us with the whole performance. Thank you very much. At sa lahat ng mga nandito, maraming salamat! Thank you very much.
Thank you, grabe ba? Naisip mo ba na mag-cheer dance ka?
Hindi. Kasi nung sinabi sa akin, Phoebe, na Bea, sali ka sa cheer dance, akala ko, go Wilman! Akala ko ganun.
Parang hindi cheer dance, parang personal cheer yun
Kasi akala ko mag-cheer sa Viva One.
Okay. Nalusot natin.
Oo, kailangan. Akala ko mag-cheer lang ako sa Viva One, pero syempre, nandito na tayo, na-announce na, may poster na, wala nang bawian. Pero happy naman, syempre, it's something new, of course. It's not something that I always do. It felt very new, but it's very fulfilling. It feels very fulfilling na makapag-perform, di ba? Especially here at Araneta. So, thank you, Viva, for doing this event, for making this event possible para to showcase hindi lang yung mga shows sa Viva One, hindi lang to showcase yung songs sa Viva Records, but also showcase the artists as who we are and kung paano kami sa sports, di ba? Kung paano sila sa sports. So thank you very much, and I'm sure everyone here went here to support their favorites, to support their ships. So sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat.
Ako, definitely, don't worry, meron kang translator to cheer your little cheer.
Mama, i-serve natin yan.
Exactly.